Hello and welcome to another session of our Java tutorials. In this session, we will create a simple program that will print out the numbers in an incrementing order. So we can begin by using a for loop here and say for, and then create a variable called I of type int, and then initialize it to 0, and then say I is less or equal to, let's say 10, then increment I by 1, and then open up the code block using the curly braces and just print out the value of I, and we get our numbers in an incrementing order. So we can explain this logic, and what we just did is to use the for loop to iterate through the numbers, and in each iteration it is checking the condition or the value of I. As long as I is less or equal to 10, then the iteration will continue. It comes out of the loop once I is greater than 10. So that's it for today, guys. I'll make some more videos in the coming days.